Energetic wonders of crystals. So, for centuries, probably millennia,
Mm.
crystals have been used. They're not just beautiful stones, they have their own metaphysical properties, they have their own energetic properties, and they're not just to wear as if you look at the royal family and their tiaras and all of their beautiful rubies and emerald bracelets and earrings and things like that. They're not just beautiful things to adorn ourselves with. They have healing properties, they have metaphysical properties. And even the ancient Egyptians used crystals for various things. And they are vital tools that I use every day in my
Mhm.
healing practice. So, in this episode, we are going to explore that. We're going to give you some great examples that Susan and I use in the real world in our healing spaces and open our hearts and open our minds to the different energetics and different ways that we can use crystals for our wellness. How about that?
Perfect. That sounds
Excited? I
awesome.
am.
Excited. Me too.